we are trying to use local approach because the blender is not working. There is no light, and the blender is also malfunctioning and cannot do the work now. So I have to improvise another local approach, which is even convenient for anybody. So using this slasher broom, just a plastic slasher broom to mill. Banana is even a soft item on its own. So, and we have blanched it with hot water. So already it is easy for this plastic broom to blend it. It's only it takes a little more time than if we are using electric approach, which is using a blender machine. But then whatever we have is what we use. At a stage, you can still use this. Instrument also to mix it, so that even if there is no electrical machine to do it, you can still go ahead with local instrument. So this purely a purely traditional method to say, but it takes more time and energy than using electric appliance like blender. But then it's not available, so we have to use what we have. So this one is also giving us a result closer to what we need. It's only the time and the little energy that is put in that makes the difference. So at the end of this process, that is when we mill it with this plastic broom, it will give us a mixture of the additives and the material, the raw material from the banana. So we now go to leave it for some time, maybe some 15 to 30 minutes, so that it absorbs enough water. We can still add more water because at this stage it's still very thick. So we can still add more water to increase the way the process of removing the juice. So, but if we can do it at this point, the juice will be thicker, meaning that it will be highly rich in the content. But it depends on what we have, what we need, or how we want it. So it will be sweeter if it is thick, but it will be a little less. It will be a little less sweet if we put more water. It will not be as sweet as when it is thick. So at the end, when we squeeze the water out, that is when we press it, that is pressing. Whatever method we use is pressing the juice. What I'm going to use another approach, which is the traditional cloths which we use to sheave our pap, which they use to squeeze the pap out of the milled corn called pap. So we will use that one to collect the juice.